Hi, this is 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. These are the Kizik shoes. These are the Vegas model in black, and they have a leather outside feel right here. It says no tying, no pulling, no heel crushing, no hands. So once you've tied them the first time, closed, they are ready to go. This heel back here is super strong, so you can just put your foot in and slip it in. My current tie shoes from Nike are not that easy. I have to pull them every time and then retie them. These you don't have to do it because of this back part of the shoe right here makes it super easy to just slip your foot right in. They have a bunch of styles and colors. I like this with the leatherette outside, and the sole looks pretty cool too. See, hands-free labs right there, and they're from Kizik. So there's the right shoe, and here's the left one. I like the outside design, so you could use this in the boardroom or taking trips. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.